15 knots, increasing to northeast 25 to 35 early this evening. Winds northeast 25 to 35 Wednesday. Showers ending this evening.
So we're out here in the wind. We got a cold wind. We got a weather warning. So we're just taking a look around the property and seeing what we need to tidy up so we don't end up with too much blowing away. We face northeast as well, so if it does pick up as much as it's supposed to, our beach will probably get rearranged tonight. Which is fine. We get a new beach every time there's a storm.
Our heat source is a wood stove, so most days I'm out chopping wood for the fire. I try to have a little extra inside for stormy days like today. We had 13 trees come down this past year from winter storms, so we definitely don't have a shortage of wood to chop and stack.
Since it's such a cold and windy day out, I decided it's a good idea to make an apple crisp today. We picked a big bag of apples at the orchard on the island a few months ago, and some of them need using, which is fair. It's been a couple of months. So I'll pick through those and chop them up and have apple crisp tonight on the wood stove.
Kilometer-hour plus winds. It's pretty windy out here. Yeah, just trying to make sure everything's safe and secure. So windy, my eyes are watering. Just out walking, check out a point. Lens actually looks kind of smudged. Whew. Cold. Beautiful day though. So it's the second day of the windstorm, and it picked up. It definitely picked up. Last night was pretty windy. Right now we're over on a different part of the island, recording this because for one, it's a lot less windy. It's a little nicer to be outside. It's still cold, still breezy, and so we had to go around and we took down the tarp that was on the shed, covering the wood. So
All in the dark, of course.
yeah. And in the morning it was interesting to see some of the trees blowing around. At the moment, as we know of, nothing came down. Every tree is still up where it's supposed to be, which, fingers crossed. But go and explain the wind.
Yeah, so, well, you heard the forecast. It was forecasted to pick up to 25 to 35.
which it started to do in the evening, but then it actually kept picking up. It was a solid 35 and gusting quite a bit higher than that. And it was an east-northeast, but that means it rolls right up the slope to our home. They did update the forecast early in the morning to 35 knots, gusting to 45, which I think about what it's doing now, and that's supposed to continue until midnight tonight. Yeah, it was a windy night.